Hello, good afternoon, everybody. So today I'm going to talk to you about a very important provision in the Income Tax Act, and that is around marginal relief. Before I get into the specifics of the provisions, you must understand the background and the context behind why marginal relief has been provided. Now, the basic context is that let's look at surcharge. If your income is up to 50 lakh rupees, right, there is no surcharge. But if your income exceeds 50 lakh rupees, you will be liable to 10% surcharge. Please remember, taxes are computed on income, surcharge is computed on income tax, and cess is computed on tax plus surcharge. Okay. Now, what will happen if you suddenly cross the bucket of 50 lakhs, you will be now liable to surcharge, and that amount can get pretty heavy. तो होता क्या था कि for people who just cross the bucket, they would realize that the amount of extra tax that they are paying is more than the extra income that they are earning. सपोज आप जॉब कर रहे हैं, लास्ट ईयर तक आपकी सैलरी 50 lakhs थी, इस बार 51 lakhs हो गई. Now because of that, इनकम तो आपकी 1 लाख रुपए से बढ़ी because of the 2% increment, thanks to the increments given these days. लेकिन जब आपका surcharge calculation होगा, the amount of incremental tax that you will be paying will be more than the amount of income. So for that reason, the government has come up with this provision around marginal relief. And you will be provided relief to the extent the excess liability exceeds the excess income. So let me demonstrate that to you with the help of an example. So when you were at 51 lakh rupees, let's say your salary is 51 lakh rupees. Up to 2.5 lakhs, anyways, there is no tax. 2.5 to 5 lakhs के ऊपर 2.5% tax, 12,500. 5 to 10 lakhs के ऊपर you have 20% tax, that is 1 lakh rupees. And more than 10 lakhs के ऊपर you have 30% tax. So 51 minus 10 is 41 lakhs. 41 lakhs into 30% is 1230. So you have a total tax liability of 13,42,500. Now, 51 lakhs means you have crossed the 50 lakh bracket. So you will be liable to a 10% surcharge. So 13,42,500 ke upar 10% is 1,34,250. So now your total tax payable becomes, if you add these two, it becomes 14,76,750 rupees. Now, लास्ट ईयर तक इस कंपनी में जब आप काम कर रहे थे आपकी सैलरी 50 लाख रुपीस थी. तो जब आपकी सैलरी 50 लाख रुपीस थी, यहाँ पे कोई चेंज नहीं, नो चेंज हियर, नो चेंज हियर, हियर इट विल चेंज बिकॉज 50 in excess of 10 lakhs is 40 lakhs. 40 lakhs के ऊपर 30% is 12 lakhs. So your total tax liability was, if you add these three, 13,12,500. The interesting part here is, since you didn't exceed 50 lakh rupees, there was no surcharge. So your total tax payable remained at 13,12,500. We are ignoring cess for this calculation. Now look at the interesting part. Your tax liability has increased. If you look at the tax liability incremental, it is 1476,750 minus 13,500, which is 1,64,250. तो भैया आपका इनकम तो 1 लाख रुपए बढ़ा, लेकिन आपकी टैक्स लाइबिलिटी 1,64,250 रुपए से बढ़ गई. आए तौबा. So to prevent such kind of situations, they have provided the relief, and the relief that you will get will be restricted to the amount by which this delta tax exceeds this delta income, which is 164,250 minus 1 lakh, which is 64,250. So the tax payable therefore will be 1476,750 minus 64,250 of marginal relief, which is 14,12,500 if your income is 51 lakh rupees. So this is the concept of marginal relief. I provided it in the context of the premise of surcharge. And I hope this will help you to understand the provisions of marginal relief and also the context as to why this has been given and to what extent is it available. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned on my YouTube channel, Concept Canvas, for more. Thank you very much. Take care and happy learning.